Finding the courage to change. My greatest weakness. I used to be very ashamed of my weaknesses. I tried to hide my shortcomings. I was ashamed if my business ventures didn't work. I felt like a failure. I was afraid to be my authentic self because that person felt so unworthy and unlovable. I've realized that my biggest personal failures and disappointments are also my greatest assets. Difficulties and challenges help me to grow, learn, and solve problems. My unexpected detours have taken me to new experiences that I would have missed otherwise. This started to shift for me one day when a teacher told a classmate, "This is a wonderful mistake." I was relieved not to be the learning example. I would have melted with embarrassment on the spot. As I listened and watched the teacher's demonstration that day, I could see that my friend's mistake was wonderful. We were all getting benefit from the correction. One mistake was uplifting the whole class. Learning to see my mistakes and weaknesses as wonderful has been life-changing. My mistakes are opportunities to grow and discover new things. I can be more courageous when I know that I get benefit from taking risks and trying new things. And when I learn from my mistakes, my example can be used to uplift and educate others. Often, we don't know who's watching us, and it's really none of my business. My business is the learning and the growing. It's an added bonus if my greatest weakness can be of benefit to another.